11th open competition test. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali stenographer. Ready. We speak of the life of one man in relation to the life of most men. We can with some degree of truth say that it was a long life, full stop. But can we use such expression if we think of the life of one man in relation to the time during which man has lived, full stop? They are apparently merely mechanical agents, and nothing short of sickness culminating in chronic disease would alter their habits, full stop. They cultivate a disinclination to exercise their undoubted right to change, full stop. They prefer routine to risk and are appalled when they consider the uncertainties that dog their paths from one cause or another, full stop. The heads of offices should ensure that their budget proposal include provision of funds for liquidating all liabilities which could not be cleared within a financial year, full stop. The maintenance of such a register will not only help in forming accurate budget estimate and liquidation of the liabilities before the close of the year, full stop. New para. The economic dilemma that a country of 240 million people finds itself facing today is of its own making, full stop. Stuck in the midst of grave human resource and financial troubles, Pakistan is contending with complex challenges that need to be addressed and tackled simultaneously if it is to extricate itself from the current crisis and move forward, full stop. However, it is also true that legacy media must adapt to the swiftly changing scenario, full stop. For obvious reasons, print cannot compete with electronic and digital media when it comes to breaking news, full stop. That is why newspapers should refocus efforts on investigative and long form journalism which can delve into the backstory and dive deeper to uncover the events behind the headlines, full stop. The facts 24 hours after they have happened and relying on the said, she said news stories will only speed up the demise of print, full stop. It is by emphasizing quality journalism that the more established papers in the West have managed to stay afloat, full stop, by upholding the principles of journalism and speaking for the voiceless. Print can continue to stay relevant, full stop, with the imminent threat of global temperatures rising by the world is quickly becoming an uninhabitable place. Full stop.